Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here again. This is a video to ask for some advice and help. So I saw on Amity Bloom a while ago, she was going to do a craft with me for doing a recipe binder, and she hasn't reappeared with any more of that, but it got me thinking. I have this ring binder here that I normally cover them with my fabric, but I had started to write recipes in there, and I had an idea that maybe I would like to do my regular fabric cover. So this is one that I have to photograph for my shop, so I normally make them a little bit like this, and then so inside it would be like that. And so I like this idea because you can use this as pockets. And so I wanted to do that with mine, even though the cover's very pretty with these flowers. I'd like it to be covered with fabric, but I'm not quite sure how to do it inside. So I did do some printing of some images here just to use to decorate, and then these are from the Graphics Fairy. I think I got them. And then these are just some collagey things that I'd done with some images. So I printed those just to, or I'll use those, or I'll use them in journals. I did that in InDesign. And then I also bought some, I'll just show you those quickly, some digital kits. I love that. And so one here is with conversions, because some of my recipes are with US measurements and others with UK or Australian measurements, so sometimes I don't know what the conversion is. And then I printed up some graphic, what are they called? Nostalgia Graphic Land. So I printed up some of those because I thought they'd be nice to write on. But I also got some of their recipe ones here, which are really pretty to write on. And then, let me see. Oh, I just printed up some of those. I might use those in journals or make journal cards, I'm not sure. And then I did them in different sizes. Oh, and those are just to make some tags. Sorry, I've got other things I've printed in the middle. These might be cool for pockets and things, or journaling cards, just some tags. Oh, and then some of these belly bands, bookmarks, because they might be useful. Oh, here we go. So this is from Dreams, I don't know what they call, Dream something. I got a few of her recipe journal sort of kits. So these are some of the ephemera, which is really super pretty. And there's a few recipe cards in there, but my problem is I'm not quite sure how should I do it. Should I put some like firmer sort of scrapbooking pages in here, and then I don't know, attach recipe cards, or put them in pockets, or should I just fold these in half and hole punch them and write on them? I'm not sure quite what to do. I really don't know how to approach it, because I'm really not a paper person, believe it or not. So when I have to do something, like, I'm okay with making books, but when I have to do something like this, where this is already done and I have to slip in some pages for me, I'm at a loss. So if someone had any good ideas about how to approach this, these are some of the pretty journaling sort of pages. I want to put them in this book, so I'm just not quite sure how to approach it. So I'll show you the kit anyway while I'm going, blabbing on. Might as well, because it's so pretty. Might inspire someone to go out and buy it and do their own. So, but I really like the ring binder idea, because I love making the covers, first of all, and you can slip them off and wash them if they get dirty. But even though these are not really big ring binders, eventually when you had a lot of recipes in there, you could even have a ring binder for each category. So maybe mains and appetizers, or soups or desserts or something like that. So this one will be going in my shop. I haven't photographed it yet, and I think I have another one, although I couldn't find it to show you. But yeah, I just needed some ideas about how to approach the inside of the ring binder to make it into a little recipe book that I could leave for Lulu. And the other thing is, because I print out a lot of recipes here from Pinterest, and they are an absolute mess. Look at this. I'm a disgrace. That is how they are shoved in the cupboard, and then I just go through them and see what do I want to cook tonight. So I really would like to tidy up that mess. And I did start off writing recipes in this little notebook with the idea of what, but you know, then you can't, it's all mixed. You can't move it around. You can't move the recipes around, so they're mixed between sweets and savouries, and so that's why I thought the ring binder was good. Anyway, that's enough for now. I'll look forward to any suggestions as to how to approach this, and I hope you're having a lovely day. Bye.